Hey guys, I'm HP's Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Soul Man by the Blues Brothers, or I don't know who is the original composer, but I know that version, and that's the version I checked out for you. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button. And that's how the whole thing sounds. I mean, I was thinking about making a backing track, but it doesn't really make sense. You can play along with the original song. I'm gonna show you the guitar parts. They're not so hard to play, but if you don't know it, I have a kind of a drum which works. Yeah, stuff like that. Probably most of you know the signature guitar intro, this one. And then comes the horn section, and then comes the and then comes this guitar. I'm gonna show all parts. Guitar parts, they're not really hard to play. The main thing is putting it together to a whole song. There for your list original, or I have the tabs. I don't have them here now, but they are available then in the HPCrazy guitar. I mean, just the guitar part. Yeah, so let's get started. I tried to get a pretty original guitar sound. That would be a humbucker here, a body humbucker, and Fender Blues Deluxe and 2x12 cabinet from the 60s or 70s probably. Yeah, but you can of course take any cleaner, like Fendery kind of sound. So the intro is played here. I don't know if it's played with finger picking or with a pick. Or chicken pick also works. So it starts with a slide here in the 9th fret. And you go back, so you have 9, 9. Then you slide down to 7. See? So that's a main figure which happens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and on 4 ends. On 4 ends comes 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4 ends you play the low D string again, and then you. That's probably the most difficult part, to get the rhythm done here correctly. But I would say the best here is just to go along with your ears. I mean, I can explain the rhythm, but it's much easier to go by ears. But the note where it switches comes on 4 ends. So 1, 3, 4. And here you slide down. And then you continue going to 7, 7 here on the D string. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you same figure here, now on the G and the E string and the 7. And you slide from 7 to 9 to 11. Then comes the horn section, which leads to the first part. I'm gonna play the whole thing, and then I start with the rhythm guitar. You must be really sure with this one here, because it's a guitar intro. I remember from my first professional plays where I had to do guitar intros, are always the ones which you are sweating, thinking you don't want to mess it up. So don't mess it up. And then comes this rhythm guitar, this one here. It sounds like it's played down here, but it will be more comfortable to be played here. But I'll show you both versions. It's here 4/4 on the G and the E string, 4/4, 2/2, and then 1/0, and the B string is not played. Well, you can play it, it's not wrong, but it doesn't matter if it's not played. It's not played. But the more easy way probably would be here, but as I said, it sounds as it's played down here. But you can choose whatever you want. It's played 1, 2, and then 1 and on 2 and 1, 2, 1, 2. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2. That's played all the time. Or here is the same thing with 9, 9, 7, 7, 5, 6. 1, 2. I mean, as I said, both works. Probably it's played here because later on from this position you're more easy to go. So that will be the first part with the intro, and that you check it out. I think it's played 12 times. Then comes that was a verse, and then comes a chorus that goes like this. This is this. So it's basically the intro again in the chorus. I'm a soul. Let me see if I can sing. I'm a soul man. So you do the same thing again. Then you play this again here on 9, 9, and then you make this little lick here on 15 to 17. And this is, and then it comes again. And then you play this. So that's now the chorus. I played the whole thing. That was the whole chorus. So as I said, the first part is like the intro, just adding this little lick here, 15 to 17, then you play this one again, and then you go along with this horn section here, 5, 4, 7, 7. With the fingering, middle finger, index, pinky, ring. Yeah. And then the whole thing starts again. Comes the chorus again, the verse, and this comes 3 times. So I'm gonna play the whole thing now with the drums here. That's just that you see how the whole thing works. Hopefully I still can play it. Intro. Now comes singing. Now comes the chorus. Chorus. And then the whole thing repeats 3 times. Okay? Then comes the bridge. This is really a typical standard song with intro, verse, chorus, bridge. So the bridge is after playing the part I just showed 3 times without the intro, then it goes to C, to G, to A, and then then this is a bit special. So you can play a C, and it's not really clear from the recording which C is played, so I just play the normal C here as bar A in the 3rd fret, and here ring finger 5 5 5, G as a bar A, 3 5 5, middle finger 4, and as I said, the normal bar A to the A bar A. So, and the rhythm is, I don't know, you just go along with your ears. And now comes something special. Then comes a sus, and I would suggest this one here. It's not really clear from the recording which one is played, but that one works. With the thumb, you go here on the low E string in the 5th fret, with the ring finger in the 5th fret on the D string, middle finger on the G string, 4th fret, 3rd fret, with the index finger on the B string. And you play like 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you go up 2 frets, and then just 1, 2, 3, 4, and then comes this. It's then. Now I'm gonna quickly play the bridge. Yeah, and then after the bridge, that's also typical, I must say. As I said, standard song form. Then we have a how do you call it in English? I even forgot the German name for that. You just move up the whole 2.5 tone to make it more interesting, but playing pretty much the same thing again. So we have the same intro again, but now instead of the 9, we started in 10. But now comes a little thing else. So this is still the same, more or less. Then comes something new. As we are in 10 to 8 8, then we go to 8 8, 10 10, 12 12. So now comes something new. Here 14 13. Pretty much the same rhythm figure. You check out the original. I don't think it's played exactly the same all the time with this. You just move this down to the 11th fret. And then again. And then end up with this figure which I had before, but also half step above. So the whole thing is like this. That's the whole sequence here. This one here is 6 5 8 8. Yeah, that's that part. I'm gonna play with the drums. Hopefully I can. I just learned the song 10 minutes ago, so guys. Yeah, that was the bridge. No, well, the second part of the bridge, or the intro to the last part. And then comes again the same thing, the rhythm figure as before, but of course half step above, and I'm pretty sure this one is, no, not really. Then we are here, I'll show you both. Here 5 5 on the G and B string, 3 3, and here 2 1. Oops. And this is played, I think, 12 times. And then comes an ending, and you make... So, and you go along with the horn section. This is a little, you make this kind of unisono part. 10, 8, 10, 8, 10, 8, 10. So, and you end up with the F9 chord. Here, 8th fret, 7th fret, bar here in the 8. So that will be, I'm going to show you. Something like that. Yeah, as I said, sorry guys, I just learned the tune 10 minutes ago. So at the end, of course, it comes on 3 ends. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Yeah, like this. So 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, and the chord comes on 4. So 1, 1, 1, 2. Yeah, well, we skipped that one in the last bar. So 1, 2, 3. And that's the ending. I'm gonna play again with the drums. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. That was the correct way. Yeah, it's pretty fast, I must say. It's 150 BPM. And these are the main parts. They're not so hard to play, but probably the whole song is a little bit demanding to keep all parts in mind when comes which. But the good news is there are tabs available. I don't have them here, but they are available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Yeah, guys, that was Soul Man, the Blues Brothers version from the famous movie Blues Brothers, from the famous CD, one of the CDs which I listened a lot when I was learning guitar, like as a teenager. That was really popular at that time, I must say. And it's kind of the typical rhythm and blues thing. Sweet Home Chicago, Soul Man, these were the tunes. And I remember there I just started with guitar. So, oh man, that sounds really difficult. Probably also think it's difficult, but it isn't because it's always the same thing. The best thing to learn it to listen to the tune and then try to follow up with the things I just showed you, and that's this way you don't need to know the rhythm so precisely. I mean, for those who need rhythm, as I said, there are tabs available in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. Join there and you can download them there and make a free account. Join there in the discussions, meet other students who want to learn guitar. It's really a cool place to be. There's also other stuff there. But if you want to download these tabs, also as Guitar Pro file, you need to make a premium membership upgrade, which is $5 per month, which is really cheap for what you get. And you support the work which me and Dr. Pink are doing for you guys. Yeah, so that's all I wanted to say. Thank you guys. See you next time.